the cat is out of the bag. The cat is out of the bag bafethu indaba isithanda kuphuma right now regarding Monapule Saleng. Monapule Saleng umdlalo Orlando Pirates lo bafethu. Umdlalo Orlando Pirates kuphuma indaba ngaye siyazazi ke indaba surrounding yena umjida kuthiwa akekho happy neclub. Akekho happy umjida ufuna ukuhamba. But ke indaba engisathanda kuyithola manje umthombo wami ungitshelile uSoccer Beats usathanda kukhipha ivideo. Soccer Beats usathanda kukhipha ivideo kuleya video leyana bakhuluma Monapule Saleng neclub yama Arab eyimfuna Monapule Saleng. So le club le yama Arab bayirevealile. Yabo they revealed the club that wanted to buy Monapule Saleng. Yabo they revealed the club that wanted to buy Monapule Saleng. They said iclub efuna ukuthenga Monapule Saleng Al Ahly. Niyazi nonke bafethi Al Ahly one of the best teams in Africa. Yabo ina Champions League amaningi la eAfrica bafethi ifana njenge Real Madrid of eAfrica. Menikhumbula kahle ke sadlala na kuma group stages eCAF Champions League sayiwina iaway match yethu yabo sayitopha igroup. So le club le eyifuna uMonapule Saleng. uMonapule Saleng menikhumbula kahle iphela isizini yala season umjida wayeshisa ngempela yabo. So Al Ahly ayifuna ukumthenga ngalezo izikhathi. Efuna ukumthenga ngalezo izikhathi but there was a catch ekusayineni uMonapule Saleng. Kwakumele kuhambe omunye umdlali wala eSouth Africa owayidlalela yona iAl Ahly. Angazi noma nyangizwa yini la. Kunomdlali owayedlalele Al Ahly wala eSouth Africa owakumele ahambe ukuze balande uMonapule Saleng. Yabo babefuna ukuhambisa uPercy Tau. Nyamazi nonke bafethu uPercy Tau, the Lion of Judah. Umdlali wayemnandi ngempela uPercy Tau but ke Al Ahly yayifuna ukumchitha. Abakwazanga ukumchitha uPercy Tau on a summer transfer. Yabo menikhumbula kahle isummer transfer window babelanda abadlali abaningi babefuna ukumchitha uPercy Tau lapha and yayifuna ukusayina bani uMonapule Saleng. Bayasho labajida laba bathi njengoba bebefuna ukusayina uMonapule Saleng Orlando Pirates yayivumelile ukuthi kahle kahle uMonapule Saleng ahambe. Base belungise nama visa babese belungise everything for uMonapule Saleng ukuthi ayijoyine iAl Ahly. Kwaba ke khona ukuthi cha like inhlelo sokuthi kudayiswe uPercy Tau ayivumanga because uPercy Tau kwenzeka ukuthi angahambi kweAl Ahly agcine sehlala kweAl Ahly. Menikhumbula kahle during the summer transfer window kwanginama hemhem kuthiwa uPercy Tau ngenzeka ahambe ngalelo window. Kwenzeka umjidi uthi akakwazanga ukuhamba uze wahamba nini wahamba ngoJanuary. Yabo iAl Ahly ya decide ukuthi azini cause akakwazanga ukuhamba uPercy Tau asiyekeni ke le deal yaMonapule Saleng. Yabo yayekwa kanjalo ke deal yaMonapule Saleng umdlali wezwa ukuthi kahle Al Ahly iyafuna ukumsayina. Yabo inkinga I don't know maybe kwaba khona iagent yakhe noma imanagement yaMonapule Saleng. Yabo iagent yakhe uSaleng noma imanagement yakhe because uMonapule Saleng after ideal yakhe neAl Ahly yafaila umjida akaphichaphanga for ama training akaphichaphanga for ama games because bakhulumile la menikhumbula kahle last year there was a game when we were playing against AmaZulu. When we were playing against AmaZulu umjida wajima neteam yamtshela iteam ukuthi uzodlala. Wathi semele uyodlala wangaphichapha neteam wangaphichapha kuyodlala. Yabo so lezi zinto lezi kuyakutshela impela ukuthi umjida shuthi wezwa ukuthi uzosayinwe Al Ahly wabona imali azoyihola ukuthi hayibo imali enkulu le. Yabo yangasebenza ke ideal because zivamise ukwenzeka lezi zinto. Ngiyakhumbula isituation ya Apolice. Situation ya Apolice kwakuyinto ecishe ifane. Apolice sasitsho uzojoin Orlando Pirates last minute ideal ya break down. Ya break down ideal last minute. But ke right now uMonapule Saleng wabona ukuthi kahle cha iOrlando Pirates shoes ayifuni ngiyojoina le club le. Ayifuni ngiyojoina le club le. Uwabonana umjida wakhetha ukuteleka. Wakhetha ukwenza lezi zinto lezi azenzayo. Yebo I feel like uMonapule Saleng into emshayo abantu abamsurroundile. People who are surrounding Monapule Saleng are not advising the boy kahle. Abamnikezi into right ngokwami. Yebo because ngeke ukwazi ukwenza zonke lezi zinto lezi. Yonke lemgilwangane le akumelanga ngabuya yenza because you are in contract with the club. Yabo uMonapule Saleng akazinzanga lezi zinto azenza. Maybe iAl Ahly ngabe ikwazi ukumsayina because if ukhumbula kahle waqala ukwenza lezi zinto last year uMonapule Saleng. Last time we saw Monapule Saleng idlalo it's when we were playing against Al Ahly. Yabo sasigcineni ukumbona sasigcine ukumbona sidlane Magisi. Ngalezo izikhathi lezo yabo wayesexabane neclub. Kuthiwa hlahle le ndaba leyaqala ukwenzeka back kwifinal ye-MTN. Menikhumbula kahle ifinal ye-MTN yadlala last year, iwindi lalisavuliwe ngaleso ikhathi iwindi mengikhumbula kahle, yabo isadlala i-MTN final. Umjida ke waxabana neclub bangazwana, yabo, until today. Okuba umjida wavele nje wathi yazini izinto ejwayele ukwenzeka lezi ebholeni, angiqhubeke mina ngidlalela iclub, izinto zami zizeyilunga, because izinto zakhe zabhediswa yiloko uMonapoli's Saleng ukuthi angayi-honorish i-contract yakhe, because okumele i-honorish i-contract yakhe because uPercy Tau uzodayisa i-Al Ahly ngoJanuwari. Ukube uPercy Tau udayiswa ngoJanuwari and umjida uMonapoli's Saleng ngodlala kamnandi, i-Al Ahly bizophinde futhi ivisit i-Orlando Pirates isho ukuthi akahlahle, yabo umdlali asikwazanga umdayisa lesa sikhathi, but now sesimdayisile, let's visit that player's deal okuMonapoli's Saleng, let's see what we can do, yabo. Bebekuzokwazi ukumsayina uMonapoli's Saleng, naku ke-Al Ahly sisayina another player from uMorocco, uBen Sharki, yabo. uMonapoli's Saleng wayezoba one of those players abasayinwe e-Egypt, abasayinwe i-Al Ahly, but ke izinto zenzekayo bafethe ebholeni. Ulowo mthombe engutholile ukuthi uMonapoli's Saleng kahle kahle wayefuna ukusayinwa i-Al Ahly, yangamsayina ke-Al Ahly umjida warebhela because wayebona imali eningi ayizohola, wayebona imali eningi azoyihola masedlale ku-Al Ahly. Siyasonke bafethu abadlali abaningi abadlalayo nje la e-Africa yonkana, akekho ongafisa ukuyodlalela i-Al Ahly, fana njenge-Real Madrid yale e-Africa. But ke ungangitshela wena uthi uzizwa kanjani ngale ndaba lezi. Mina ngokwami umjida kumele azehlise, yabo, acela ushwele kwi-club, because i-Orlando Pirates ayivele imendleleni yomdlali nje, yabo, abavele bamendleleni yakho. Uwena oqalayo wenza izinto ezibhedayo, nayo Orlando Pirates masiya act, yabo. Orlando Pirates umjida ayikaze imsuspend, Orlando Pirates ayikaze imsanction umjida ngokuthi amise ama-training sessions, but yena indlela enza ngakhona right now, yabo, yona attitude yakhe ayikho right towards the club. I don't wanna lie, his attitude is not okay towards the club, because meqhubeka enza kanje unikeza certain players in the team ama-ideas ukuthi kahle kahle nami shothi i-contract yami better, kumele ngiethe kanje, I must rebel against the club when i-contract yami noma ngingagculisekile noma ngifuna ukuhamba, because right now ngizothiwa umjida ngempela akekho happy ufuna ukuhamba kwi-club, but ke asasi, yabo.